Meaning of feminist.
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 Feminist. Feminist refers to a person who advocates for gender equality and the rights of women on the grounds of achieving socio-political, economic, and personal gender equalities. Feminists believe that women should receive equal treatment and opportunities as men in all areas of life, such as education, employment, and healthcare. Their goal is to fight against gender inequality and promote a society that values and supports gender diversity. Feminism is an ongoing movement that seeks to create a more equal and just society for all genders.